put a lemon on the esfirra dough. It's the secret pizzerias don't want you to know. In a bowl, add 250 milliliters milk, 1 egg, 20 g cornmeal, 5 g yeast, 20 g sugar, 10 g salt, and 30 g butter or margarine. Now let's mix all of this together thoroughly. Remember folks, you can buy all utensils used in this recipe on the Pavel na Kozina website. Next, add 500 g of flour gradually while continuing to mix. This is the perfect consistency. Now let's knead it lightly with our hands. Then we'll move it to the countertop. I'll add some cornmeal and we'll knead it. Using a knife, we'll cut off a small portion. If you prefer, you can weigh it to ensure equal portions. Let's remove all the air from this dough. Next, we'll shape all of this dough into bowls. Once done, we'll put it in a container with some cornmeal at the bottom. We'll cover it with a kitchen towel and let it double in size. Meanwhile, I'll prepare the filling. I'll use 200 grams of mozzarella. One chopped tomato, half an onion, 200 g ham, 200 g grated pepperoni, parsley to taste, and some oregano. Then mix everything together well. This is the perfect consistency, folks. Now let's get our dough. Look how it's doubled in size. Let's return to the work surface. Don't forget to lightly grease it. I'll dust it with cornmeal, but flour works too. Now here's the trick, folks. Use a lemon to roll out the dough evenly. After rolling, we'll add the filling we made earlier. Separate. Then repeat the process with the remaining dough. Done. Now let's transfer it to a baking pan. I'll use my stone baking pan here. Then I'll put it in the oven. Bake for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or until golden brown. After this time, look how amazing this esfirra turns out. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time, and thanks.